Hello guys, BIM BILL here, and in this tutorial we will learn about the levels in Revit. Now what are the levels? Levels are the elevations or the heights that are associated with the certain type of levels. In order to know that if we create something in the level 1 or the level 2 view, what would be the elevation or height or position of that object in the 3D view? In order to answer that question, go to the south elevation view. You will see that there are two types of levels. This is the view that you will find the levels of your project. The first and foremost important thing is to know that whenever you start a project, the first thing that you must do is to create or define the levels. Let's see what is the height or elevation of the level 1. That is set to the 0 millimeters, and the level 2 height or elevation is set to the 4000 millimeters, as the unit of the project is in millimeters. That is the elevation that if we will create anything on the level 1 or the level 2, these are the specific elevations or the heights that would be set to that component or the command or the walls. Like if we create a wall or a floor on the level 1, that would be the height of that wall or that floor. How to create a new level? If we want a third level or the third story of the building, let's see how to get a new level. Underneath the architecture tab, go to the level command on the datum panel. Hit level. The shortcut for the level is the LL command. In order to produce or create a new level, come here, and when you will see these dotted lines, you will see that the elevation with it. You can also type the elevation, or you can choose just the elevation with your mouse. Hit once, go all the way right side. You can adjust it anywhere you want. Just hit another time, and now you have created your level 3. That is the way to create a new level. Now if you want to change the height or elevation of that level, just click on here and you can type it as any elevation that you want. Another thing that I would want to show is that this check mark, if you uncheck it, that will be fade away the face of the level. Again check it and you will see it. Now if there are two levels that are very close to each other, use the Z icon here. Just click on the Z and you will see that there is a change in the face of the level here. You can also move it any way as you want to move it along. This is used whenever two of the elevations are intersecting each other. You will note that if you come here and if you double click on the level 2 face, you will get to come to the level 2. Again go to the south view. Let's create another level. Some of the levels, this for example, if you want some of the 4 or 5 multi-story building, let's create another level. Like this total line is showing, and left side of this is showing you the elevation of the height with respect to the preceding level. Just click once, another level, just click again. Now you are at the level 5. So you will notice that if you want some of the like 10 levels or the 15 levels, this process is time taking. So if you want to create a skyscraper or something like that, we will want a lot of levels like 20 or 30 levels or 10 levels. So in order to create the levels in a quicker way, there are two options. The first one is to copy the levels. Like select the level, go to the copy command. You will set the command to the multiple. Like click it, adjust the height, just click, just by one click again and again, you will get new levels. So this is the way to create some of the new levels in a quicker way. But there is a problem when you see that these levels are in a blue way and the levels that you have created with the use of the copy command are in black color. The black color means that if you will create something or some levels with the use of the copy command, that would create the levels but not the level views here. That is just the elevation that you have set it, but the levels are not created. Let's see, the first black one is the level 6, and you should see that the level 6 is not being created in the views in the project browser. Now in order to solve that problem, go to the view tab and come to the plan views button. Now these are the different types of levels that you can create with the use of this command. Go to the floor plan and you will see that these are the levels or the options that you can see here. The options that you can see here is because these are the elevations that are not created in the as the levels here. So just select all of them and hit OK. Now you will see that there will be the respected levels that are created here, which were before a while were in the black, now they are in the blue. So this was the way how to create a lot of levels in a quicker way. Another thing that I want to show that I used most commonly in my project is how to create levels in no time. Like come to the LL, that is the shortcut of the level. Use pick lines command, give an offset, like I would want to give a height of 10 feet, that is 3048 millimeters. When you take your cursor close to the most upper level, you will see the dotted lines showing over here. Now make sure that these dotted lines that you can see should be in the upper side of the level. Just by single clicks you will create a lot of levels but with the constant elevation. So guys, that was the easiest way to create the levels in no time. I've shown you almost everything about the levels. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.